Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making vegetable chop. If you have carrots and beetroots, you will be able to make this recipe yourself. This popular Bengali snack is enjoyed by everyone and I'm sure you'll love it too. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Boiling hot water. I'll put my steamer plate here. 3 large carrots, peeled and roughly chopped. 1 large or 2 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped into large chunks. Let that steam. Cover it. Some toasted bread slices that I'll put in the mixer and grind. To get breadcrumbs, they are done. Thinly slice the cooked carrot and beetroot. Heat 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and temper it with half teaspoon of cumin seed and chopped green chilies according to your taste. One large onion sliced, a bit of salt, and cook this till the onions turn light brown in color. That's done. Add in a teaspoon of ginger, either grated or finely chopped. Cook this briefly. Let's add in the beetroot. So by steaming the vegetables and not boiling them, it helps to sort of maintain the shape and it also helps to preserve the flavor. Cook this for a minute on medium heat. Let's add in the dry spices. 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Add in a tiny bit of water. I'll add in the carrot. And cook this along with the beetroot for a minute, mixing it thoroughly. Teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste, and I'll also add a bit of black salt. Just be careful, the onions had salt in them. The mixture looks dry, and once I have mixed it thoroughly, I'll turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. I have transferred the mixture into a large bowl. This is cooled down completely, and I'll add in some fresh coriander leaves that I have chopped up. So this is about half a cup, and a handful of roasted or toasted peanuts that I have crushed. I boiled and grated 4 large potatoes, and I'll begin by adding. Season the potatoes with a bit of black salt and mix it in. So the potatoes are going to bind the mixture or bring it all together. I'll add in a tablespoon of the breadcrumbs that I had prepared mix lightly. You don't want to mash up anything. That is good. Let's divide it into equal portions. So these are going to be the cutlets or your vegetable chop. So you can make them as big a size you want. That's totally up to you. You could make them into the round shape and flatten slightly, or you could have it like a cylinder. That's up to you. So today I'll go for the long shape. Let's make a quick slurry. I'm adding some water to maida or all-purpose flour. Mix well. I'll dip the prepared vegetable chop into the maida and coat it lightly. I have all my things here. The first one goes in. Drain the excess and put it into the breadcrumbs. That's one done. Just like that, we'll coat the rest of them. Slurry, drain, breadcrumbs. Rest them in the fridge for half an hour before you fry them, or you could store them in the fridge in an airtight container and fry them the next day. Fry the vegetable chops in hot oil. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. So everything is cooked in this vegetable chop. We just need a crispy outer cover. Turn it around and get a nice dark color on it. And that's done. Serve it hot with some salad and kasundi or mustard sauce and enjoy.